Almost every American driver has a can of WD-40 sitting in the garage right now. But 9 out of 10 use it for basic squeaks and rusted bolts, never knowing it can save them thousands in mechanic bills. And here's the thing, mechanics quietly gatekeep these fixes, because every one of them is a shop visit they'd rather charge you for. Today, we're revealing 18 WD-40 fixes that put serious money back in your pocket. Don't skip ahead, because trick number 3 has saved drivers from a $1,500 repair bill more times than we can count. Let's start with trick 18. Silence a squeaky door hinge before it fails. Your driver's door screeches every time you open it, and most people just live with it. But that noise is dust, dried grease, and moisture attacking the hinge pin from the inside. Left long enough, the pin wears down until the door starts sagging on its own weight. Here's the fix. Open the door halfway and spray WD-40 directly on the top of each hinge pin. Then work the door back and forth 5 or 6 times to draw the formula into the joint. The squeak disappears in seconds, the door feels lighter on the swing, and the pin stays protected from moisture for months. Hit all 4 doors while you're at it, because if the front is squeaking, the rears are usually not far behind. A hinge replacement at a body shop runs $200 to $350 per door, and this 2-minute spray is what stops it from ever getting there. Trick 17. Free a frozen door lock in winter character. It's a freezing morning, you're already late, and the key won't turn in the lock. That's moisture inside the lock cylinder frozen solid, and forcing the key is exactly how you snap it off inside. Here's what actually works. Give the keyhole one short burst of WD-40. Wait about 30 seconds for the formula to displace the ice. Then insert the key and turn slowly. The lock frees up almost immediately, and the water-repelling layer left behind keeps it from freezing again the next morning. Do this to every door lock in the fall before winter hits, and you'll never be locked out on the coldest day of the year. A locksmith house call runs $150 to $250, and a snapped key inside a lock cylinder is even worse. Trick 16. Clean corroded battery terminals. You pop the hood and see that white or blue-green crust growing around the battery terminals. That's not just ugly. It's blocking the electrical connection between your battery and the rest of the car, and it's why your engine cranks slower every week. Disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive. Spray WD-40 generously on both terminals and the cable ends. Let it sit for a minute, then scrub with an old toothbrush or wire brush. The corrosion breaks away in flakes, revealing bright copper underneath. Wipe clean, reconnect, and add one more light coat over the terminals to block moisture from starting the process again. A new battery costs $150 to $300, and most batteries that get replaced are actually fine. They just had terminals so corroded the alternator couldn't charge them properly. Trick 15. Remove baked-on bugs from your front bumper. After a long highway drive, your bumper looks like a bug graveyard. And here's what most people don't know. Bug guts are acidic, and every hour they sit in the sun, they etch deeper into your clear coat. Regular car wash soap barely touches them once they're baked on. Spray WD-40 directly on the affected area. Let it soak for 60 seconds, then wipe with a clean microfiber cloth. The bugs slide right off, and the clear coat stays completely intact. Do this within a day or 2 of the drive, not weeks later, because acid etching becomes permanent fast. A single panel repaint from bug damage runs $300 to $800 at a body shop, and 30 seconds with a can of WD-40 is what prevents it. Trick 14. Loosen rusted lug nuts on the roadside. You get a flat tire in the worst possible place. Grab the tire iron, and the lug nuts won't budge. That's rust, heat cycles, and the last shop over-torquing them with an impact gun. Keep a can of WD-40 in your trunk for exactly this moment. Spray each nut generously around the base where it meets the wheel. Wait 5 minutes and try again in a star pattern. The corrosion bond breaks, and the nuts come off with normal arm strength. If one still fights you, spray it again and let it work while you loosen the others. This one habit, one can in the trunk, is the difference between changing a tire in 15 minutes and calling a tow truck for $150 while you sit on the shoulder for 2 hours. Trick 13. Stop rubber door seals from freezing shut. It's happened to every northern driver. You wake up on a January morning, pull the door handle, and the rubber seal is frozen tight to the frame. Yank hard enough and you'll tear the seal itself, which is a $150 to $300 replacement per door. Here's the prevention. In late fall, wipe every rubber door seal with a light coat of WD-40 on a microfiber cloth, then buff the excess off. The formula conditions the rubber, repels moisture, and prevents any water from freezing the seal to the door frame. Do this once in October, and you're set for the whole winter. Hit the trunk and hood seals while you're at it. Torn weather stripping also lets water into the cabin, which leads to mold, wet carpet, and rust from the inside out. Trick 12. Remove tree sap without damaging paint. You parked under a tree for one afternoon, and now your hood has a dozen hardened sap drops that no amount of scrubbing removes. And every attempt with a fingernail is one more scratch in the clear coat. Spray WD-40 directly on each sap spot. Let it soak for 2 minutes, then gently wipe with a microfiber cloth in one direction. The sap dissolves cleanly, and the paint underneath comes out untouched. For stubborn spots, reapply and give it another minute. Never scrub. Follow up with a normal wash and wax to reseal the paint. A professional sap removal detail runs $150 to $300, and if the sap has been sitting so long that a repaint is needed, you're looking at $500 to $1,200 per panel. Trick 11. Clean stubborn brake dust from your wheels. Your wheels have that gray-black film that seems to reappear the day after every wash. That's brake pad material bonded to the finish by heat, and normal soap and water won't touch it. Spray WD-40 liberally on each wheel, work it in with a soft bristle brush, and let it sit for a minute. The brake dust lifts off the finish in dark streaks, revealing the actual color of the wheel underneath. Rinse thoroughly with water and dry with a clean cloth. The thin protective layer left behind slows future brake dust from bonding to the surface, meaning your wheels stay cleaner between washes. Skip the $50 professional wheel detail at your local car wash. A can of WD-40 does the same job in 10 minutes at home. Trick 10. Free a stuck sunroof. Track your sunroof grinds, sticks halfway open, or refuses to close completely. That's dust, dried factory grease, and small debris clogging the tracks. And this is one of the most expensive repairs most drivers never see coming. Fully open the sunroof, then spray a light coat of WD-40 on both side tracks and the front sliding rail. Cycle the sunroof open and closed 5 or 6 times to work the formula through the entire mechanism. The grinding disappears and the motion becomes smooth and silent. A sunroof motor replacement is $500 to $800, and a full sunroof mechanism repair can hit $1,500 or more. 10 minutes of maintenance twice a year is what keeps you out of that shop entirely. Trick 9. Remove old bumper stickers and decal residue. You bought a used car with the last owner's political stickers still on the bumper, or you're finally peeling off that dealer badge you never wanted. And what's left behind is sticky, gummy adhesive that fingernails and glass cleaner won't remove. Spray WD-40 directly on the sticker itself and let it soak for 3 minutes. Start at one corner and lift the sticker slowly, spraying underneath as you peel to keep the adhesive dissolving. What used to take an hour with a razor blade and elbow grease now takes 90 seconds. Follow up with a quick wash and wax on the spot to seal the paint back up. A professional decal removal at a detail shop runs $100 to $200 per bumper, plus another $50 to $100 if they scratch the paint with the wrong technique. Trick 8. Free a seized gas cap. You pull into the gas station, twist the fuel cap, and it won't budge. Or worse, the little tether snaps off in your hand because the threads have seized. That's fuel vapor deposits and dirt hardened around the cap threads over months of exposure. Spray WD-40 generously around the seal, where the cap meets the fuel neck, wait 60 seconds, and twist again using a rag for extra grip. The cap breaks free without cracking, and a light follow-up coat on the threads keeps it turning smoothly for the next year. A dealer will charge you $80 to $150 to replace a broken cap, plus another shop visit if the seized cap triggered a check engine light in the evaporative emission system. Before we get to the WD-40 fixes that can literally save your car from being totaled, Do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us keep exposing the tricks mechanics don't want you to know. Trick 7. Prevent rust on chrome trim. And bumper's chrome starts showing pinpoint rust spots, and once it starts, it spreads. That's because chrome plating has microscopic pores that expose the base metal to moisture, and once corrosion gets underneath, the chrome itself starts lifting. Apply a thin coat of WD-40 with a microfiber cloth and buff off any excess. The formula seals the pores, blocks moisture, and gives the chrome a deep, mirror-like shine that lasts for weeks. Repeat this every couple of months, especially before winter, and the chrome stays perfect for years. Rechroming a single bumper runs $500 to $2,000 depending on the vehicle, and once rust has started under the plating, there's no reversing it without a full strip and replate. Trick 6. Free a stuck hood latch. You pull the hood release inside the cabin, hear the pop, but the hood doesn't lift. Or the safety latch under the hood won't move when you try to release it. That's the latch mechanism corroded from road salt, moisture, and years of neglect. Reach through the front grille with the can pointed at the latch, give it a generous spray directly on the moving parts, and pull the interior release cable several times while wiggling the hood. The corrosion breaks up, the latch cycles freely, and the hood opens on the first try from that point on. A hood latch replacement is $150 to $350. But the real problem is what happens if the latch fails at highway speed and the hood flies open into your windshield. Trick 5. Clean throttle body carbon buildup. Your car has a rough idle, hesitates on acceleration, and gas mileage keeps dropping. Before you take it in for an expensive diagnostic, check the throttle body. Carbon deposits build up on the throttle plate and inside the housing, restricting airflow and confusing the computer's air-fuel calculations. With the engine off, remove the air intake tube from the throttle body, spray WD-40 on a clean rag, and gently wipe the throttle plate and the housing walls. Do not spray directly into the throttle body, always onto the rag first. Reinstall the intake and start the engine. The idle smooths out within minutes, and throttle response returns to what it felt like when the car was new. A shop throttle body cleaning is $150 to $300, and a full replacement runs $400 to $700. Trick 4. Silent squeaky suspension bushings. Every time you hit a bump or turn the wheel, you hear a creak from the front end. That's dried out rubber suspension bushings, rubbing against their metal mounts. Most drivers assume the whole suspension needs work and brace for a four-figure bill. Locate the source of the creak, usually the control arm bushings or sway bar end links, and spray WD-40 directly on the rubber-to-metal contact points. The squeak disappears within seconds, and you'll get weeks of silent driving from a single application. This isn't a permanent fix if the bushings are actually worn out, but it tells you exactly whether you need new bushings or just a clean, lubricated set. A full front-end bushing replacement is $300 to $600, and this test tells you whether you need it or not. Trick 3. Free a seized oil drain plug. You're doing your own oil change. Put the wrench on the drain plug, and it won't move. Push harder and you'll round off the head, and now you can't even change your oil. That's the last shop over-tightening the plug, plus heat cycles seizing the threads. Spray WD-40 generously around the base of the plug where it meets the oil pan. Tap the plug gently with a rubber mallet to help the formula penetrate, and wait 10 minutes. Use a 6-point socket, never a 12-point, and apply steady pressure with a breaker bar. The plug breaks free without damaging the head or stripping the pan threads. A stripped oil pan is a $500 to $1,500 replacement job, and this is the fix that has saved drivers from that exact bill more times than we can count. Trick 2. Free rusted brake bleeder screws. You're bleeding your brakes as part of routine maintenance. Put a wrench on the bleeder screw, and it snaps clean off inside the caliper. That's a nightmare. A broken bleeder means a full caliper replacement because those screws are impossible to extract cleanly. The screws are steel threaded into aluminum, which creates electrolytic corrosion over time. Before you touch the wrench, spray WD-40 liberally around the screw and the caliper body, and let it sit for 30 minutes, not 5, 30. Use a properly sized 6-point socket or flare nut wrench and work the screw with gentle back and forth motion instead of trying to break it free in one motion. Patience here is everything. A single caliper replacement is $200 to $500, and if all four have to be done, you're looking at over $1,500. Trick 1. Loosen seized spark plugs. This is the one that has saved drivers from the worst repair bills of their lives. You're doing a spark plug change at 100,000 miles, and the plugs are seized in the cylinder head. Force them, and you'll strip the threads out of an aluminum head, turning a $50 tune-up into a cylinder head replacement that starts at $1,500 and often runs over $3,000. Here's the trick every experienced mechanic uses. With the engine cool, spray WD-40 directly around the base of each spark plug where it enters the head. Wait 15 minutes minimum. This is not the moment for shortcuts. Use a proper spark plug socket and back the plug out with small back and forth movements. Half a turn out, quarter turn back in, half a turn out again. This walks the plug out without shocking the threads. Every plug comes out clean, the head threads stay perfect, and you just saved yourself a repair that would have cost more than the car is worth in some cases. If you learned something new today, hit that like button and comment below which fix surprised you the most. Want more car secrets that can save you thousands in repair bills? Click the next video on Genius Car Maintenance Tips, and your bank account will thank you.